Everyone, today's our topic is growth and development of a child. So in that first we can cover about the weight of a baby. Okay. So according to the WHO, the normal weight of a baby is about 2.5 kg. Okay, 2.5 kg. And the first 10 days there will be a chance for loss of weight for the baby because till that time the baby will be inside the uterus. Once the baby comes out of the uterus or once they explore to the new world, there will be a problem of adjustment. Okay, and adjustment and inadequate feeding and digestive adaptation will take place slowly. So due to this reason, what will happen? There will be a loss of weight in the first 10 days after the delivery. Okay, and after these 10 days, the weight gain will be 30 gram per day. Okay, in each day 30 gram will be increasing the weight. Okay, that is up to 5 to 6 months. 5 to 6 months there will be 30 gram per day weight gain will be there, and after the 5 to 6 months, from the 6th month 50 gram per day, 15 gram per day it will be increasing till 6 to 12 months. 6 to 12 months. Okay, and the age of 1 year, after 1 year what will happen? It will be 2 to 3 kg per year. The weight gain will be 2 to 3 kg per year. Okay, so the approximate weight for this baby by the time of 6 months, it is about 5 to 6 kg, and by the 1 year it will be 7.5 to 9 kg, and 2.5 year it is about approximately 10 to 12 kg. So this is the normal weight system for the baby. And next we can cover about the length of a baby. Okay, and for the length of a baby for newborn, it is about 45 to 50 centimeter. Okay, and during the time of first month to 6 month, it is 2.5 centimeter will be increasing per month during the period of first to 6 month. Okay, and the 1 year of age it will be 75 centimeter, and by the age of 4 year it will be the 100 centimeter. Okay, so for the length for the newborn it will be 45 to 50 centimeter, and during the period of first to 6 months it will be 2.5 centimeter will be increasing per month, and for the 1 year it will be reaches the 75 centimeter, and by the year of 4 it will be 100 centimeter. Okay, about the head circumference. Once you are checking about the head circumference, always keep in mind that the head circumference will be 2 centimeters smaller than the chest circumference. Okay, and at the birth the head circumference will be 33 to 35 centimeter, and by the month of 3 it will be 40 centimeter, and 12th month it will be 45 centimeter. Okay, so if it is abnormally larger than the normal condition, that maybe indicates the hydrocephalus. Okay, what is hydrocephalus? It is the abnormal fluid collection in the brain. Okay, and another, if it is very small than the normal, that maybe indicates the microcephalus. Microcephalus is incomplete development of brain. It is one of the congenital disorder. Okay, so you should always think once you are checking about the head circumference, the 2 centimeters smaller than the chest circumferences, and at the birth it will be 33 to 35, by the month of 3 it will be 40 centimeter, and 12th month it will be 45 centimeter. If it is abnormally large, you can say that maybe it is the indication of hydrocephalus. If it is smaller than the normal condition, it will be a condition of microcephalus. Okay, physical growth of a baby. At the birth you can see what is the condition of the baby. These legs will be drawn up. You can see it is always drawn up. It is not extended. Okay, and another is the arms will be clenched. You can see, you can observe the arms will be clenched like this, and the head will be turned to one side. And once you pull the baby to sit, what will happen? The heads will be locked behind. Okay, so these are the things you can observe the baby at birthing. And another things you can observe the morose, tonic, extensor, rooting, sucking, swallowing reflexes. Okay, So what is the reflexes? I have explained the previous video. Please check it that what is the reflexes in detail. Okay, so these are the reflexes also you can find in the baby at birth. By the third month, what will happen? The flexion will be reduced. And once the baby in a prone position, what is prone position? Once the baby lies on his or her abdomen, that position is known as prone position. So once the baby on the prone position, they can lift the head up to 90° by the third month. Okay. And by the fourth week, the walking, placing, crossing reflexes will be reduced or disappear. For knowing about the reflexes, in the previous videos I have explained what are the reflexes and in detail it is there. Please watch that video for knowing about the reflexes. So by the fourth week, walking, placing, cross reflexes will be disappear. And another thing, they can follow the object about 180°. And next point is they can respond to sound by turning the head. For example, if someone is making noise over there, they will turn the head to that side. This is occurring by the third month. Okay. And another is you can observe the face of the baby. That means they will be having very curiosity or interesting to watch the surroundings. What is happening around, they will be watching. Very interesting to watch the surroundings. Okay. And another is very cute. That means they will be smiling and recognize the mother by the third month. Okay. And another is displeasure. If the baby hates something or if they don't like something, they will show by crying. For example, if some unknown person is carrying the baby, if the baby don't like that person, suddenly they start to cry. Okay. And 3 to 6 months, the baby will be maintaining the symmetrical posture in supine position. Supine position means once the baby is lying on her or his back, that is supine position. Okay. And another one is the baby is on prone position. They will raise the chest of vertical axis by the month of 6th. Okay. And another is they will try to extend the legs. Already I said at the birth the legs will be drawn up, right? Okay. By the end of these 6 months or in between these 3 to 6 months, what will happen? They will try to extend the legs. And another is they can sit by the month of 6th with or without support. Okay. And another, they can hold any object and they can grasp it, and sometimes they will keep in the mouth. Not only sometimes, always they will try to keep in the mouth for explore what is that. Okay. And another one is recognize parents' voice. They can identify the parents' voice. And by the 6th month, the teeth erection will be occurring. And another point is they are excited to sight of food. They will be very happy by seeing the food and they will pose for feeding. Okay. And another is laugh loudly. By the 6 months, once you tell anything to the baby or once they see something pleasure, they will laugh loudly with making noise. Okay. Another is smile at mirror. Once you show the mirror, what will happen? The baby try to smile by seeing the mirror. And another is show pleasure and displeasure. Okay, once they are happy, they will show the pleasure, and if they are displeasure, they will show by crying. So these are the things happening by the 3 to 6 months. 9 to 12 months. In this period, the baby can sit without any support. Okay, and another is they will make the movements like crawling. And another, they can walk with support. If we are giving our hand or we are giving our finger, they will hold it and they will walk. Okay, so with the support they can walk and feed themselves. If we are giving any food items, they are capable to have themselves and they can drink from that cup. Okay, and another is they can deliberately drop the toys if they are angry. Okay, and another postural adjustment. They can maintain the postural adjustment for sitting, lying or for standing. They will maintain the postural adjustment. And another is they will start to say something like 2 words that will be meaningful. They want to communicate something to opposite side. So they will start to say something in 2 words or 1 word. So they will start by the 9 to 12 months. And another, they will be developing the capacity or ability to show the emotions such as fear, anger, jealous, and anxiety. Those emotions they will try to show during the 9 to 12 months.